AI skills are valuable, but employers need developers who can turn AI capabilities into working cloud solutions. That's where the Microsoft Azure AI Cloud Developer Associate comes in. It targets the skills needed to build and integrate AI-powered solutions on Azure, making it a valuable credential for developers moving toward AI engineering, cloud development, and intelligent application roles. Today, we're putting those skills to the test with practice questions that can help you pass the Developing AI Cloud Solutions on Azure exam. Don't just watch. Choose your answer before I reveal it. Question number 1. Which Azure service is primarily used to build, deploy, and manage machine learning models? A. Azure Storage. B. Azure Machine Learning. C. Azure DNSD. Azure Monitor. Correct answer. B. Azure Machine Learning Explanation. Azure Machine Learning provides tools for training, deploying, managing, and monitoring machine learning models at scale. Question number 2. Which Azure service is best suited for storing large amounts of unstructured data such as images, videos, and documents? A. Azure Blob Storage. B. Azure SQL Database. C. Azure Table Storage. D. Azure Cosmos DB. Correct answer. A. Azure Blob Storage. Explanation: Azure Blob Storage is designed for massive amounts of unstructured object data, including images, videos, backups, and documents. Question number 3. What is the primary purpose of Azure AI Search in an AI application? A. Host virtual machines. B. Provide intelligent search and retrieval capabilities. C. Manage user passwords. D. Monitor network bandwidth. Correct answer: B. Provide intelligent search and retrieval capabilities. Explanation: Azure AI Search can index enterprise content and provide keyword, semantic, and vector search capabilities, making it particularly useful for RAG-based AI applications. Question number 4. Which approach is commonly used to provide an Azure-hosted generative AI model with information from an organization's private documents? A. RAG, B, DNS, C, RAID, D, NAT. Correct answer: A. RAG. Explanation: Retrieval Augmented Generation. RAG retrieves relevant information from external sources such as organizational documents and provides that context to the AI model before generating a response. Question number 5. An AI application needs to securely access Azure resources without storing passwords or secrets in application code. Which option is most appropriate? A. Managed Identity. B. Public IP address. C. Azure DNSD storage account name. Correct answer: A. Managed Identity. Explanation: Azure Managed Identity allows applications to authenticate to supported Azure services using Microsoft Entra ID without embedding credentials or secrets in application code. You can spend hours reading Azure documentation, or you can test whether you can actually make the decisions the exam expects. If Azure AI Cloud Developer Associate is your target, start with focused practice questions now available on the CertBoosters website. Answer them under exam-like conditions. Review the explanations. Track the topics you miss, then practice those areas again until the decisions become second nature. Your goal isn't just to recognize an Azure service. It's to know when, why, and how to use it. Check the link in the description for more practice questions and start preparing today. Subscribe for more certification practice sessions, and when you sit for the exam, don't just hope you're ready, practice until you're ready, then go earn the certification.